Did not get a good start. Look, he's been swallowed up on that run into the first corner.
Binder's
coming up the inside.
Yeah,
and I'm afraid
tagged the back wheel of Oliveira.
Yeah, that was a nasty old impact, wasn't it? Oliveira landing right. Oh dear.
And he got hit by him as well, just for good measure.
Oh, well, Binder knocked him out and then clipped him again for a second time. Ouch.
一个连续弯道，右弯之后出来的左弯，结果出现了海塞。
哇！你看他人被车撞到后又往后弹飞，对，更远，这表示那个撞击力道真的很强。
这是 Morales 在车后的镜头，
来看一下，
这是 Mark 自己车上的镜头。好，出弯之后左弯突然海塞，
对，
就像刚才加菲猫讲的，这个左弯。
Oh, high side for the World Championship leader, and that's a dangerous, dangerous place to be crashing. Please get out of the circuit. Look at all these riders. Oh, goodness me, it's exactly what you don't want to see. Oh, no.
Bastianini that lost the rear, the red flag is out.
That was horrific, and that is the problem with that corner as you come out and you high side the bike in the middle of the circuit, because people
involving Enea Bastianini.
Horrific accident, that one. Really, really bad. I'm wondering, I think Hafi Siren was involved.
Bastianini knew exactly what was coming. As soon as he got to his feet and knew he wasn't going to be hit himself, he was just like looking. Please, please, no, nobody make contact with the bike. There is the red flag.
On the stricken bike, but no surprise to see the red flag. And Andy is the Haas machine. Just the impact was scary. And unfortunately, a rider's going to clatter into Enea Bastianini's bike.
Yeah, and with like Simon said, your vision's blocked. Look how close Remy Gardner is. He's not going to be able to see much of that, and then the riders behind can pick their way through. Roberts.
Riders conscious. That's the best outcome you could possibly have, because that...
Look, you can see that young man there just cannot believe what he's witnessing. He's just seeing riders crash into his fallen motorcycle. There's nothing Bastianini can do.
Top of the screen, top of the screen. They've made contact. Zarco comes around and he's going to try and take a defensive line.
Look at his bike!
Oh, Rossi!
Dearie me.
Rossi's dodged it. I cannot believe it. Watch Valentino Rossi here. Watch that.
Oh my goodness me.
Goodness. That bike missed Valentino Rossi's head
Oh my
by
God.
fractions. It's on board with Valentino. Watch
This is going to be horrendous. Out the right-hand side.
Oh my goodness me. How lucky.
There was vibration on his bike there almost from the velocity of that motorcycle almost hitting him. He's been there the whole race. What's happened here?
Oh my goodness
That's the
me.
Yamaha.
That's Maverick
Red flag.
Vinales.
There'll be a red flag.
There
the
must
air fence
be.
has gone. They'll have to red flag it because of the damage to the air fence.
This race red flagged. We've got a red flag
When
here
you pop the
in
air
Austria.
fence, that's it.